Guys, we're about to experience a significant jump, and this is not a practice. Keep your buns in place, because this coin is on its way to the moon, and it will happen overnight. If you're as giddy as I am, click the like button and leave a remark in the space below to substantiate my assertion. Watch this video before we discuss what is happening in that video. Let's play the beginning. What's up, fellas? We are pleased to welcome you to Crypto Aussie, your preferred cryptocurrency channel. If you're new here, click the subscribe button and enable the notification bell to be notified when new clips are added. To my money side comrades, a hearty welcome back. Please don't forget to click the like button and leave a remark in the section below. Currently, XRP remains in a sell zone due to the price encountering significant resistance. However, a former Goldman Sachs executive remarked that XRP had an incredible use case, resulting in a significant increase in the coin's price. XRP is on the mend. That is a positive, and we may be witnessing one of the biggest comebacks in history. I'm not going to lie, there's a good likelihood that this current rise is solely due to the news initiated by the former Goldman Sachs executive. That means the coin will almost certainly fall as the initial frenzy subsides. However, that is the optimal time to buy the dip, as all traders advise, because once XRP is on the radar of such powerful individuals who are not ashamed to express their enthusiasm for this coin, a brighter future is undoubtedly ahead. Regrettably, there are additional concerns, notably the current market crisis. Bitcoin and Ethereum have been consolidating, which is a positive indicator. However, if the crash continues, the price of XRP would likely fall as well. However, this is not the end of the story. On the contrary, XRP is gaining momentum and is vying for the top spot in the cryptocurrency industry. The SEC legal lawsuit is the only thing holding this coin back. Thankfully, Raoul Pal continues by stating that regardless of whether XRP is a security, it should be relisted. Technically, the SEC's role is to protect investors, not to harm them, and the inverse is currently occurring with Ripple. That is because XRP has taken a severe hit as a result of the lawsuit. By pursuing Ripple, the SEC has harmed investors in some way. Additionally, Raoul suggests that the U.S. should relist XRP on U.S. exchanges. The regulatory authority views cryptos as distinct assets that are not interchangeable with other types of assets. And if that is the case, they are currently being unjust to those who believe in XRP and other cryptocurrencies. However, if you've been following this topic for an extended period of time, you'll agree with me that the SEC regards coins that compete with ETH differently. Indeed, I stated it. I am aware that the majority of you will disagree with me, but allow me to express the facts here. Solana is currently operating on precarious footing, as the SEC will come for them sooner or later. Similarly, Ripple is a case in point. What do these two cryptos have in common? You guessed correctly, both are ETH's enemy. Technically, all of these cryptos are capable of cooperating for the better good. However, the second, regrettably, supporters of specific cryptos are constantly attempting to demonstrate why one is superior to the other, and this causes a schism between them. Regardless, Ripple has gone above and beyond in establishing a collaboration with ETH via Flare. The Flare blockchain enables investors to spend XRP on the decentralized applications network. See, I believe that Solana should attempt to learn a few tricks from XRP and how to interact with ETH and its staff. We may never learn the truth about this since the SEC will continue to defend itself at every opportunity. However, never say never. XRP has seen its share of adversity. Consider being trapped for a full year in a court case that intentionally harms your reputation. I would not want to work in Ripple's financial department. It sounds as though you're dealing with a lot at the moment. They're almost certainly behind schedule in terms of the profits they should have received by now. However, this has not prevented them from expanding their systems and forming new collaborations. Indeed, I've witnessed Ripple do the unthinkable this year to stay afloat. More importantly, the court case is not quite as awful as it appears. This attention, whether favorable or not, has prompted the majority of investors to study more about XRP and Ripple. That is, in some ways, a marketing strategy that works in their favor. And if all goes according to plan and Ripple wins this legal battle, this corporation will be invincible. To all my XRP investors, this is the ideal opportunity to buy as much of the dip as you can afford. I repeat, this coin is on its way to the moon, and once the ship sets sail, it will never return. Rather than standing on the sidelines as this event unfolds, why not get your hands dirty and use a few coins to alter the course of your life forever? I anticipate that XRP will shortly surpass $50 and continue to climb even higher. This coin will be one of the first to bridge the divide between cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. At the moment, Ripple is in discussions with various central banks, attempting to form partnerships in the interest of United colliding the two worlds. Who wouldn't want to invest in such a cryptocurrency? Unless you're not interested in making a lot of money in crypto, I'd strongly advise you to invest as much as possible in XRP. To that end, let us examine the technical analysis. While performing several fib retracements on the long-term chart, it appears as though I've discovered a recurring trend. When the fib from the first wave is added to the third wave, the fifth wave extends to the 1.854. I've included 4 examples in this graph, but there are plenty more on a smaller scale. If we continue the first and third waves of this bull run that began around March 2020, we can reach around $20. I believe we are going to enter the third wave of the fifth wave. If this results in a price of about $4, I believe the fifth and final wave will result in a price of above $20. Let us cross our fingers. Gentlemen, now we're going to look into Bitcoin. Wow, how incredible the recent crypto market sentiment has been. Last month, sentiment was incredibly bullish. Now, we're in extreme panic mode. It's amazing how rapidly sentiment can shift, isn't it? A majority of gurus anticipate the double top pattern and bear market theory. I see a plethora of them on television, including some respectable gurus with 47 years of expertise. Allow me to offer you some advice. 1. We are still in a bull trend. The HTF structure has not yet been broken. Therefore, there is no confirmation. 2. Bear markets are frequently preceded by an exceedingly bullish sentiment, implying a 90-degree price increase. You can generally smell it when everyone is raving about it. 3. Don't just look at Bitcoin. Consider the entire crypto market capitalization. It's more bullish than Bitcoin alone. Maintain your composure and calm the F down. As usual, trade responsibly. Please bear in mind that we are not a registered investment advisor. This channel's videos are solely for enjoyment purposes. Leave your thoughts in the comment space below and let's have a discussion. We appreciate your time and interest. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Enable alerts to be notified whenever we publish new amazing stuff. We'll catch up with you in the following video.